Namaste. Welcome back to the online maths class. Today we are going to discuss about the derivatives of logarithmic functions. So let us have a quick review on logarithmic functions. What is a logarithmic function? A function f from r plus to r given by y is equal to f of x is equal to log x to the base b is called what? Logarithmic function. That is f from r plus to r given by y is equal to f of x equal to log x to the base b, where b greater than 1 and b raised to y is equal to x is called a logarithmic function. And the most common used logarithms are natural logarithm and common logarithm. Logarithms with base 10 is called common logarithms, and the logarithms with the base e is called natural logarithm. Now look at this example. Sine of log x with x greater than 0. Here we have to find dy by dx. Let y is equal to sine of log x. Now dy by dx is equal to sine of log x. If it is x, log x is x, then we can apply the formula of sine x. So this term can be treated as x. Sine of log x, sine x derivative cos x. So cos of log x into derivative of log x, d by dx of log x. That is cos of log x into derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So the answer becomes cos of log x divided by x. Okay, once again, here the question is y is equal to sine log x. We have to find the derivative of this function. So dy by dx is equal to sine x derivative cos x, but instead of x, the term is log x. So we write as it is cos of log x into, then we have to take the derivative of what? Log x, that is d by dx of log x, that is cos of log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. We can write it in the form cos of log x divided by x. Clear? Now we move on to exercise 5.4. Here the question is log cos e raised to x. Question number 5, log cos e raised to x. Let us take y is equal to log cos e raised to x, differentiating with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to log cos e raised to x. So this can be read as x, log x derivative 1 by x. So 1 by, instead of x, cos e raised to x. So 1 by cos e raised to x into d by dx of cos e raised to x, which is equal to 1 by cos e raised to x into, again, derivative of cos e raised to x. If it is x, then we have formula minus sin x, cos x derivative minus sin x. So let it be x, cos e raised to x can be treated as cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x, so minus sin e raised to x. Again we have to apply the chain rule into d by dx of what? E raised to x. Instead of x, the term is e raised to x. So we have to apply the chain rule, d by dx of e raised to x. So it is equal to minus sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x into d by dx of e raised to x. What's the derivative of e raised to x? It's e raised to x itself. So we can write e raised to x. So the final answer becomes, here on minus this e raised to x, we can write first minus e raised to x sin by cos. Sin x by cos x is what? Tan x. Okay. So sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x, that can be written as tan e raised to x. That is minus e raised to x into tan e raised to x. Is that clear? Okay. Now the next one is question number 8. Log x. So let y is equal to log x. Here also we differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to log x. So this can be read as x, log x. Instead of x, the term is log x. Remember. So log x. Log x derivative 1 by x. 1 by log x. Okay. Into d by dx, that is derivative of log x. So 1 by log x into, that is the derivative of log x, it's 1 by x. So we can write like this, 1 by, in the denominator the terms are log x and x. So x into log x log x. So the final answer is 1 by x log x. Understood? Now we move on to the 9th question, and it is cos x by log x with x greater than 0. Cos x divided by log x. So y is equal to cos x divided by log x, and we differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, here the question is in u by v form, quotient form. So we must apply quotient rule, u by v the whole dash, it is equal to v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. That is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by square of the denominator. Okay. So here denominator is log x. So log x into derivative of numerator, derivative of cos x, it's minus sin x, then minus numerator is cos x into derivative of denominator, the term is log x, and derivative of log x is what? 1 by x, whole divided by denominator square, log x square, that is log x the whole square. Okay. Now we can cross multiply this x to the first term. So minus x log x into sin x minus cos x into 1 is cos x divided by this term x, and one more denominator term is there, log x the whole square. So x into log x the whole square. X and log x the whole square both are on the denominator. Okay. Once again, y is equal to cos x divided by log x. We have to find the derivative of this function. So let us find the derivative, dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to denominator into derivative of numerator, quotient rule. Log x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and minus numerator into numerator is cos x. So cos x into derivative of denominator, the term is log x, and derivative of log x is what? 1 by x divided by denominator square. Denominator is log x square is log x the whole square. Okay. So I cross multiply this x into the first term. So x into log x into minus sin x. That minus we write first. Minus x log x sin x. Okay. Then this minus cos x into 1 is cos x divided by the denominator, common denominator, that is x and log x the whole square. So x into log x the whole square. That's all. Understood? Okay. And one more question is there. Question number 10. Cos of log x plus e raised to x with x greater than 0. Do it yourself. I think you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Thank you.